me instead of being toxic, report people in hopes I get a penalty. That's why I told my whole lobby to report that thrower last time. Try to get Lord Groot. Every time I try to play with, I get insta-swap to a wolf and it's unplayable. Makes me sad. Yeah, you should have had, you should have got Lord Groot before he got nerfed. Then you would have had it. Quick playing a bit with viewers. Yeah, I think we're going and playing comp until I lose. Because I got diamond like I wanted, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, BP's gotta go, dude. Oh my god. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. Sorry. Oh no. Did he get rezzed at least? Oh my fucking god. Jesus fuck. Uh-oh. Not good. Not good. Not good. Oh.
BP's on our left.
Fucking hate Black Panther, bro. Up top to the left. Go, Kenzo, go.
Your powers are mine.
I am ready to put on a show. Against the world. I am ready to put
Oh,
on
okay.
a show.
That's double though, so that's okay. Oh, oh, oh no! No! So close, no. No way. What? Does that not? Oh, fuck. Ah! Hi, problem! GN, bad, Zolt, thank you guys for follows, welcome in. Oh, yeah. Wolf still touches tanks and makes them unplayable.
Okay, I wasted my ult.
That's okay, what's ass.
You won't die the second I put it down.
He's rude. Reported, banned.
Yeah, block me.
Oh my god, get this fuck out, dude. Fuck me. Oh my god, shit. Oh my god, he wants me so bad. No bueno, no bueno. Switch him in, I seem kinda
Someone's on
goated.
top.
Your powers are mine.
Mole, mole.
I am ready to put on a show.
Yes, all every time! Every 12 seconds! Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm literally eating him only for that. Good ol'. There we go. Can make some room here. Oh my lord. Bear with me. Sorry guys. Yeah. Hi. Vortex, thanks for the follow. Boy, welcome in.
Behind us.
What? Oh my god. I can't even look at chat. I'm scared. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, he didn't get me, bitch! Fuck you! Oh, God. Huge. Oh, my God. Oh, where'd he go? Oh, my God.
We kinda double ulted, but that's okay.
That's okay. Gotta get that point or whatever. They've done it like 40 times, so it's fine.
Yeah, we're good.
Meanwhile, I'm on Pogo. Girl, if you don't open my motherfucking gift, there's gonna be problems. Struggling with a Snorlax earlier. Bro did not want to be caught. Dude, I can't tell you how many Pokemon have literally used like 40 fucking Pokeballs from me. I'm like, dog, can we not? No, no, no. Oh no! Too soon, bro.
I am ready to put on a show.
Fuck. Wait, why did I get rezzed? No, I don't want to be rezzed. Oh, fuck. Yeah. I'm gonna heal from in here. I almost think, oh, they're both tank? What? No! No! Shit. No.
Only 60 seconds left. I am ready
I'm
to
chasing, for real. Oh, shit. Oh, fuck. Oh, where'd he go? I don't even know where he is! Oh, my lord. I almost have a